Yes children, today we will discuss about cut, copy, paste, find, replace and some designing part. So first we start how to copy paste. If we want to copy some selected part of the document to the target destination, then first we have to select our text, then press Ctrl C, and where you want to place it, where you want to make a copy of it, Ctrl V. Then same part of the document will be copied. Now I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo. Now I am using cut paste. Cut paste is basically used to move the selected part of the document to the desired position. Now first I am selecting this part and using Ctrl X for cut and Ctrl V paste. Now this part has moved to other location. This is a cut, copy, paste. Now I am using find. If we want to find a particular word in the current document, then we use find. Now we will find the particular word. Now I want to find V. Then it is highlighting V everywhere in my document. And I want to replace it with the new word. Then I press replace and I will write the new word. If I will press on replace, then it will change only the selected document where the cursor is active. But if I click on replace all, then it will replace all the text where the same text it finds. Close. Now we see everywhere text has changed. Now Ctrl Z. Now again I have used Ctrl Z undo. Now I am doing some designing part. In my previous video I have given you the task to design your iCard. So I am giving you the idea. I don't remember exactly your iCard, but I think the color pattern is same, which I will draw. Insert, shape, like this. Now again I will insert one more shape inside the shape, like this. Now I will fill. I think your ID card is same, which I am trying to draw. Now for logo, I am again inserting a shape. Right mouse click inside the shape and add text. Here I will insert the logo or the picture, whatever you have. This is the method to insert your logo at the appropriate position, like this. Now right mouse click on this shape and I will write Now I am selecting my text, place it in the center, and I am changing the font size. First I will change the line spacing. How can you change the line spacing? Select your text, go to this option, first click on this option and after that remove space after paragraph. Then it will display like this. Now I will change the size of my text like this. And I am also applying bold format. Now I am clicking at text and here I will write. I am changing the writing color. I think this writing color your ID card has name, student name, address, mobile number, like this. Now Select your text and change its size like this, bold, and now I am inserting the shape for your photograph like this. This is the way how to insert different shapes on your document, and you can design anything in MS Word. So